guys, this is Akshat. Welcome to another fun session of coffee painting, and today we will be turning coffee stains into art. This session is going to explore the role of imagination and creativity in creating amazing art pieces. So without further ado, let's get started. These are how the stains turned out. This looks like a group of friends walking. But wait, this looks like a joker is juggling. What does this stain look like? Oh, this looks like a cute dog with a tortoise on top. So let's make it. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, you guys know what to do. You will share it, subscribe to the channel, you will like the video, you will comment your thoughts, and just like that, I will be seeing you guys in the next session where we will be using spoon and creating the freedom coffee painting. Are you guys ready? So stay tuned to What's Your Hobby?